Welcome back to LucidityLeah. I am Leah. Thank you for tuning into my channel. This is going to be a quick makeup tutorial and hair video. Get ready with me style as I review the curve case and also show you guys how I do this cute style on my really old knotless braids. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm putting my hair in two ponytails. I did this style back in South Africa with one ponytail, but I was like really about to push it to the limit. So I'm like, let's do two. And that's exactly what we did. Basically, I put my hair in a ponytail and I wrapped the braided ends around the ponytail, making like a little loop so it looks like a little like bob kind of situation, but in little pigtails. So innovative, so smart, so unique. And it's really, really easy to do. You can put a bobby pin in there. I just wrapped them, and because I wrapped them a bunch, my hair stayed without it. And look, my hair looks crusty though. This hair was so old, I needed to take it out. I had been a month in, but I was trying to get my last wear out of it, and I'm doing it on the other side, the same exact thing, and then just laying them edges down. This video is definitely out of nowhere as I have been like basically MIA on making videos these past couple months. Happy 2025. I will definitely be coming out with a life update very, very soon. Do not worry, do not fret. I miss this community. I've been just making shorts and not really putting time into videos. I've just been so busy. But wait, just wait on me. Just wait because I have so much in store for this year. Y'all just wait. I'm so excited. Here we get on to the curve case. Guys, I've been wanting this so bad for the past couple months. I've been seeing it all over TikTok and I was excited when I found out it was on TikTok Shop. So we started off with just putting e.l.f. primer on our face to set our makeup. One of my favorite primers. I think I'm going to do a more in-depth video coming soon again of like an updated makeup tutorial. I don't think I have done one since like 2023, but we started off with like the darkest shade in the palette, which is like a contour. I do a very light contour on my face, and then we went in with the bronzers. These bronzers I love. I don't even think the camera is really doing it much justice. Definitely got to work up my like lighting setup because the way that the bronzers, amazing. Okay, then I took a drink break. And then it was back to the makeup. Does anyone else get like dehydrated halfway through your makeup and just need like a snack or something? So me. But then we got to the blush, and y'all know blush is my favorite. And we went with the most brightest, pinkest blush and just started. It's like a fuchsia, very, 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 very bright. And I just started blending that out. I underpaint my face, so I always add more than I need. Because after I only do like a little bit to really set it. The colors in this palette are so vibrant, like you don't need a lot to, and a little goes such a long way. I love how bright it looks on my dark skin, especially with my red undertones. I feel like it just makes my face. You can definitely tell they put such an emphasis on the formula of this product and making sure that it shows up on skin. I added my concealer over it, and this was time to start blending it out. And even as I blended my concealer out, you can still see the brightness of the blush and you can still see the bronzer. I'm definitely pleased with this palette. I was so happy. I love a good blush moment, a good makeup moment. It just brightens my mood. Something about just doing your face, sitting down, taking your time, putting your concealer on, putting your blush on, and see it all come together. It's heavenly. I can't even ever explain it to a man. They would never get it. Like, you girls know. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face. Okay, but like, look at my face. Look at my face. Sometimes you gotta stop in the midst of your makeup just to admire the beauty that it is. Like, God snapped on me. You gotta remind yourself, God snapped on me. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Also, Philip Mitchell in the background. God bless his church. God bless him. Anyway, back to the makeup. I'm convinced that Burst of Joy is from the Holy Spirit, from the Lord, because how many know that because he's a girl dad and he loves his daughters, he also rejoices in us doing our makeup. And if you ever have a hard time doing your makeup or you're like feeling a certain way about how it looks, call on the Holy Spirit. I promise you, he will show up and show out and beat your face and help you execute the beauty. I promise you. And this is where I realized that I didn't put no foundation on my face. And you're going to see this aha moment. I literally thought it was so funny to leave it in because I had no foundation on my face. I had no BB cream. I had nothing. And I was just going in with all my powders, not even realizing I never added it. Oh, no. I didn't put any foundation on. Ciao. 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 Where is my foundation? Where is the foundation? Where's the foundation? I didn't have the energy to go back and add foundation. Also, I felt like it was going to ruin the makeup I had already set, so we just went with it. I was like, in person, it wasn't that bad, but I was like, you know what? It is what it is. So this wasn't my best, but I will be coming back next time, remembering my foundation and doing like a full tutorial for you guys. I just really wanted to show you guys the curve case and just how it looks on my face. I definitely will be using this for a while. It has already become a staple in my makeup game, just with how versatile it is. I've used it for lipstick. I've used it for eyeshadow. I've used some of the darker shades for eyeshadow. I've contoured my nose with it, which I'm still working on, like getting better at contouring. But I love this case. Like it's worth every penny. It's worth every dollar. And I don't remember the price, but I didn't think it was that expensive. Another question, does anyone else's eyelashes fall out while they're doing their makeup? Mine seem to always go. Now I'm just adding the finishing touches to my makeup with my eyeliner, which is also my lip liner. I love this. I think it's like Espresso by NYX. And then I'm just curling my lashes and putting my mascara on. I'm using the Maybelline, maybe it might be Revlon, but it's like the green mascara. I love this stuff. It doesn't really show up that green on my eyes, but I still love it. My sister has the purple one. Currently looking for a pink mascara. So let me know if you have any recommendations because I'm still on the hunt. She actually came in the room at that time and we were just yapping. I try to do at least 3 layers of mascara on my eyes if I can. Definitely trying to target the lower lash because I just love how a lower lash looks. It really pulls the makeup together. And then I'm lining my lips. I've been obsessed with lining my lips. It's to the point now where even if I don't have makeup on, I will go in and line my lips. And it just makes a difference. It makes my lips look bigger, the gloss looks better, and more luscious, more voluptuous, you know what I'm saying? Finished up my makeup and it was time to take my hair down. It had set for probably an hour. So I was definitely confident in it being laid in look laid down, so cute. My edges just chef's kiss. I felt like a little Barbie. I felt like a little Disney princess that day. I don't know, it was giving. I went in and just put the Max Fix Plus on it to set it. I'm in the market to find like a really good setting spray. I was obsessed. Look at the makeup. It was so cute, so pretty, so cohesive. That's always what I'm looking for when I do my face. And you know how to get in the sun. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.